Are you tired of watching your paycheck disappear before the month ends? Discover the 7 powerful money lessons that helped me break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, and how you can too. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Let's be real, seeing your bank account at zero before payday is a gut punch. I lived that cycle for years, always one surprise away from disaster. It was exhausting, and I felt stuck. But then I realized, if I didn't change, nothing would, so I took control, and it transformed my life. In this video, I'll share the 7 money lessons that took me from broke to building real wealth. The last lesson is the most powerful, so stick around. The first step is tracking every dollar. Yes, every single one. It might seem tedious at first, but understanding where each dollar goes is crucial. I thought I knew where my money went, but I was wrong. It was a real eye-opener to see how little I actually knew about my spending habits. Small purchases and forgotten subscriptions added up fast. Those little expenses like a coffee here or a subscription there seemed harmless but quickly snowballed. I started using a budgeting app and tracked everything for a month. No changes, just data. This was purely an exercise in observation, to see the raw truth of my financial habits. The results were shocking, hundreds wasted on things I didn't value. It was a wake-up call, realizing how much money slipped through my fingers on non-essentials. Tracking isn't about guilt, it's about clarity. It's about understanding your financial landscape so you can navigate it better. You can't fix what you can't see. Without visibility, it's impossible to make informed decisions about your finances. Once I saw the leaks, I could finally patch them. Identifying these leaks was the first step in stopping the unnecessary outflow of cash. It wasn't my rent or car payment, it was the daily mindless spending. Those small, frequent purchases were the real culprits. With real numbers, I could make intentional choices. I could decide what was truly important and what could be cut back. Cutting back on takeout alone freed up hundreds. Preparing meals at home not only saved money but also brought a sense of accomplishment. Tracking turned money from a source of stress into a tool I could control. It empowered me to take charge of my financial future. This is the foundation for everything else. Without this step, building a solid financial future would be impossible. So, for the next 30 days, track every expense. No judgment, just awareness. This exercise is about gaining insight, not feeling bad about past choices. Use an app, a notebook, whatever works. The tool doesn't matter as much as the commitment to track. What you discover will be the catalyst for your financial transformation. This newfound awareness will guide you towards better financial decisions. It's the first step to taking back control. With this knowledge, you can steer your financial ship in the direction you choose. Next, let's talk about building a wall between you and financial disaster. Your emergency fund. Think of it as your personal shield, a barrier that stands strong when life throws the unexpected your way. Before I had an emergency fund, every surprise expense felt like a crisis. A flat tire, a medical bill, or even a broken appliance could send me into a panic, scrambling to figure out how to pay. An emergency fund isn't for vacations, shopping sprees, or the latest gadgets. It's your safety net for life's curveballs, those moments you can't predict, like job loss, car repairs, or sudden home expenses. Start simple. Aim for $1,000 in a separate savings account, ideally one that's not too easy to access. This first step is crucial. It's your initial buffer against the unexpected. Even a small buffer can turn emergencies from overwhelming disasters into manageable inconveniences. You'll feel a sense of relief knowing you have something set aside. Once you reach that $1,000 milestone, don't stop there. Set your sights higher. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses. This bigger cushion can cover you through job loss or major setbacks. To figure out your target, calculate your bare minimum monthly needs, rent, groceries, utilities, insurance, and multiply that by 3 to 6. This gives you a clear, realistic goal to work toward. Building this fund takes time and patience, but the peace of mind it brings is truly priceless. You'll sleep better knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. With that cushion in place, you can handle problems without panic or resorting to high-interest debt. You'll be able to make decisions calmly, not out of desperation. Keep your emergency fund out of sight and out of mind. Don't be tempted to dip into it for everyday wants. Treat it as untouchable unless it's a true emergency. Use the money you freed up from tracking your spending and cutting back on non-essentials to build this fund. Every little bit adds up over time. The first time I used my emergency fund, I wasn't scared. I was prepared. Instead of stress, I felt empowered and in control. That feeling of control is life-changing. It's not just about money, it's about confidence and security. Your emergency fund is your financial life preserver, your safety net when the unexpected happens. Don't skip this step. It's the difference between just surviving and truly thriving, no matter what life throws at you. Start small, but start now. Even a few dollars a week can grow into something substantial over time. Protect yourself and your loved ones from the unexpected. Give yourself the gift of security and peace of mind. This is your financial foundation, the base that supports everything else. Build it strong, and you'll be ready for anything. The key to wealth? Live below your means. It's not about deprivation, it's about creating a gap between what you earn and what you spend. For years, I spent every dollar I made, matching my lifestyle to my income. That's the paycheck-to-paycheck trap. The shift came when I prioritized keeping money, not just spending it. Delay gratification. Wait before upgrading your phone or car. Use your expense tracking to cut what doesn't matter. For me, that meant cooking at home and canceling unused subscriptions. Spend on what you love. Cut ruthlessly elsewhere. Pay yourself first. Set aside savings before anything else. This forces you to live on the rest and builds your financial engine. The bigger the gap, the faster you build wealth. It's simple, but it takes discipline. Consistency is what separates the wealthy from the stuck. Start building your gap today. Want to save consistently? Automate it. Willpower fades, but automation never forgets. Set up automatic transfers from checking to savings and investments every payday. I scheduled transfers the day after my paycheck hit. Emergency fund, retirement, car fund. What's left is what I can spend. This flips the script. Save first. Spend what's left. Automation removes the decision and the temptation. You adapt quickly to living on less. Watching your savings grow automatically is motivating. Every bank offers this. Set it up once and let it run. Align transfers with your pay schedule. If you do nothing else, automate your savings. It's the easiest way to guarantee you'll save. Make your future non-negotiable. Let automation build your wealth on autopilot. Start today. Cutting expenses only goes so far. There's a limit to how much you can save by trimming your budget. While being frugal is important, it's only half the equation when it comes to building wealth and achieving your financial goals. To truly transform your financial future, you also need to focus on increasing your income. More money coming in means more opportunities, more choices, and less stress about every dollar you spend. This is how you accelerate your journey. By boosting your earning power, you can reach your goals faster and with less sacrifice. Start by maximizing your current job. Don't be afraid to ask for a raise. Prepare your case by documenting your achievements and the value you bring to your team. Practice your negotiation skills, and remember, you deserve to be paid what you're worth. If advancement isn't possible where you are, consider learning new skills to make yourself more marketable. Online courses, certifications, and workshops can open doors to higher-paying roles, even if you're starting from scratch. Investing in yourself is one of the best ways to increase your earning potential. Don't be afraid to switch jobs for better pay or benefits. Sometimes, the fastest way to a higher salary is to make a move. Side hustles are also game changers that can add hundreds or even thousands to your monthly income. Turn your hobbies or unique skills into extra cash. Whether it's baking, crafting, tutoring, or consulting, there's likely a market for what you love to do. Explore freelancing, gig work, or selling products online. The digital economy offers endless opportunities, from delivering food to designing websites or selling handmade goods. Make a plan to dedicate all your side hustle income directly to your financial goals, whether that's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a big purchase. Even a few $100 extra a month can supercharge your progress, helping you pay off loans faster or build savings you never thought possible. Personally, I funneled every dollar from my side hustle into savings and debt payoff. It was the difference between feeling stuck and finally moving forward. More income means reaching your goals faster. Watch your progress accelerate as your income grows and your financial stress shrinks. And the best part? You can do this without living on a bare-bones budget or sacrificing the things that matter most to you. Increasing your income also adds a layer of security if you ever lose your main job or face an unexpected setback. It's a safety net that gives you peace of mind. Remember, the smartest strategy is to play both defense by cutting costs and offense by earning more. This balanced approach is how you build real, lasting wealth. That's the championship strategy for building real wealth and achieving financial freedom. It's not just about working harder, but working smarter and seizing every opportunity. Don't settle for just getting by. Challenge yourself to find new ways to grow your income and improve your life. Start by updating your resume, networking, or brainstorming income ideas. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. Don't wait. Start building your brighter financial future now. Beware of lifestyle inflation, the silent killer of wealth. As your income grows, it's tempting to spend more, but if your spending rises with your income, you never get ahead. I made a rule: save at least half of every raise or new income stream. Enjoy some upgrades, but prioritize saving. This save half rule let me enjoy life and build wealth faster. Be intentional. Decide where your money goes. Do you want more stuff or more freedom? Upgrade slowly and mindfully. The gap between income and expenses is your power. Widen it, and you'll reach your goals faster. Avoiding lifestyle inflation is the key to real wealth. Choose assets over liabilities. The most powerful lesson: invest early and consistently. Saving is for security, investing is for freedom. Compound interest is your best friend. It's how your money makes more money. Time and consistency are everything. Start now, even if it's small. Use low-cost index funds, or ETFs, for instant diversification. Automate monthly investments. This is called dollar-cost averaging. Don't try to time the market, just keep investing no matter what. The market goes up and down, but over time, it grows. The people who build wealth invest through the ups and downs. All your hard work, tracking, saving, earning, funnels into investing. Your investments become your army, working for you 24/7. This is how you stop trading time for money. It's the final step to breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Start investing today, no matter how small. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Build a life of true financial freedom. Your future starts now. Those are the 7 lessons that changed my financial life. Track every dollar, build your emergency fund, live below your means, automate savings, increase income, avoid lifestyle inflation, and invest consistently. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon, but it starts with one step. Pick one lesson and start today. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Start small. What's one tip that's helped you? Or which lesson will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, like and subscribe for more on building your financial future. I'll see you in the next one. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Start by tracking every dollar you spend for 30 days. Seeing where your money truly goes is the first step to breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, because you can't change what you don't measure.
The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only, and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.